Are you a planner or a go-with-the-flow type? Save for later. Let's see how neat and organized you are. Pause the video to read each question on the quiz. 1. How do you handle deadlines? 2. Is your living space organized? 3. How do you approach problem solving? 4. Do you make lists for your tasks? 5. How often do you double-check your work? Count your A's, B's, and C's. Mostly A's. You're highly conscientious and organized. Mostly B's. You're more relaxed and spontaneous. Mostly C's. You are flexible yet organized when needed. Which test do you want to try next?